Welcome back to our channel, and good morning. And it's close enough to spring. We're gonna call it spring. I'm gonna come over here and check, see what we got to do. I got my little tractor over here. Ted's over on the other side. I had to pick up some stuff I needed this tractor for. But I'm gonna ride through here if y'all want to. It ain't gonna be a whole lot of talking unless I just see something I want to see. But I'm gonna just ride through here and check the status on how the grass is and if any trees have grown up, because we kind of missed last year like we needed to. Well, we're gonna see what we can do. Better than what I thought we did last year. The lone van, that's the only van up on this side. Might be a few scattered. There's on one on the top side. Should have brought my drone. Get a better video, but it's over here on the tractor, and I said, well, I might use the tractor over here because mine's a little bit smaller than Ted's. There's a few places when I bush hog I have to finagle around because I can't reach them. And I think I can reach them from this one. Spot up here I'm gonna try to see if we can go through, because I know I can't get through it on Ted's Kubota. And I think it's about 6 or 8 places that I really have a problem getting his Kubota in here. Let's see, I think I fit through there pretty good. This is one I had a time fitting in. I can go through here with a 4-wheeler to pull parts. Looks like I might not fit. I'm not trying that one. If I can move that car back about 2 foot. Let's see. Other job around here is picking up parts. There we go. Old convertible. Well, I've seen it, but I ain't really noticed the top. We come through here cutting, and I just cut trees. Dark GT convertible. Man, I bet that thing was nice when it was new. All right. Well, looks like we've done pretty good, y'all. We'll have to go back in some of our first videos on this channel and see how this place looked. But this whole section here, I could fly over it with my drone and you couldn't even see the cars. You could tell the trees were kind of lined up in a certain way, like it was something there. So that's a tree, that's another tree that fell. Yeah, you could tell it was something under the trees because they was in lines, sections. Couldn't see the cars. I don't know how good y'all hear me. I ain't got my mic. I just come out here and I said, well, I'll get out my phone. We haven't done any videos of the salvage yard this year. But no sense in wasting time. There's another section down here. I'm pretty sure I can get through. I can squeeze through with the Kubota, but I'd rather not have to squeeze through. Cut that tree limb down. Yeah, and this is another spot that kind of got tight. I just want to see how much difference my tractor was. I'll get that one later. That one was up in there. Oh yeah. I've got at least a foot extra room, maybe a foot and a half. Yeah, man, I got a whole lot more room. Go over here and see how where the Chargers are. A little bit bigger cars on the other side. I'm sure people that's watched their videos before have done seen these cars 100 times, but I kind of like going in the spring, seeing what needs to be done and how it looks. There's an old Super Bee. It's been picked through. Well, it looks pretty good. We can just keep it looking this way. Y'all see we got cars back here. These over here, the trees are just about gonna get away from us. We got so much stuff going on this year, or this past fall, we didn't get to cut like we did last year. You know, on through that road, and you see that little opening. That's all you Dodge Chargers and Cornettes and Super Bs back in there. Well, thanks for watching. Man, y'all hit the like button. If y'all got any ideas you want me to do at the salvage yard this year, we're gonna be doing a bunch of car shows, and we can come in here when we want to and make some videos and do something on certain cars. But make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share content. That helps a whole lot with YouTube. Just share a video a couple times to some old car Facebook page groups you're in, or a friend that likes to see cars. Man, y'all have a good one. Have a good spring. Stay safe with these storms coming.